Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm here at Target, and if you guys haven't seen it already, these are the new JDM boxes compared to the old. But yeah, they just say metal die cast. Let's see what else they got. A lot of these were left over. Not a lot of people like them, I don't think. A Momo, and of course they got Fast Original. See what people didn't take. Surprised they didn't take the Jetta or the RXs, but I think in our other video we already picked them up. And then these are on sale at Kroger. I seen that for $3. So if you guys, check out your Kroger, you'll see it. But other than that, I think this is the only one we're missing. The JDM truck. Or it's not a JDM truck, but you know what I mean. Yeah. This one's cool. It's got that removable, can't even say that, T-top. Everyone's on the look for the Hot Wheel one. The Bigfoot. And then look, someone already lined up the chrome ones, I think. So probably most of this is old already. I don't know. And I want to get this, but I'm gonna wait. Man, I really wish they had more team transport. And also, if you guys don't know, most Targets will have this little green stripper thing, but it's empty. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if I sound tired, because I just got out of work. Catch you on the next one.